So iSundowns isayine umdlali waseBrazil uArthur Salles. Lo mdlali bamsayine ngo-3.2 euros. Mase uyiconverta leyo mali uyiletha la eSouth Africa u-63 million. Le center forward yaseBrazil ina-22 years old. Wazalwa ngo-2002 esuka le eBrazil. Professional club waqala ukudlala ngo-2021 edlalela iVasco da Gama yaseBrazil under 20 wakhona. Bampromote kweVasco da Gama waya kwi-first team. Kwathi ngesizini ka-2021-2022 bamdayisela i-team yaseBelgium iLomel SK with a transfer fee of 3 million euros. Wafika kwiLomel SK ngesizini ya-2022-2023 bamlona kwi-team yasePortugal iPaços Ferreira. Wabuya waphinde bamlona futhi bamlona kwi-team yaseBrazil ekuthiwa i-EC Bahia. Wabuya kwiLomel SK base bamdayisa kwiSundowns ngo-3.2 million. So kahle akaze ayidlalele kahle le team le club. Le club yamthenga from iBelgium akaze ayidlalele kahle. Adlala ama-game yabo azadlulela ku-15 because mayfika khona babemlona bemisa kwamanye ama-club ako-Portugal nawako-Brazil. So nje ama-Brazilians iSundowns nje simthengile. Angazi mhlawumbe uyadlala mhlawumbe akadlali but ama-stats akhe mengiwabuka professional game ama-games akhe asawadlalela professional usedlala ama-game awu-89. Kulama game awu-89 usekora amagoli awu-22 wenza ama-assist ayi-6 usadlala 199 minutes. So angazi noma umdlali ozoletha ushintsho yini kwi-striking department yeSundowns noma umdlali nje ozo-add ama-numbers because baningi abadlali abasuka phesheya kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns abangafithanga kahle kwi-structure seSundowns. Maningi ama-center forward yabo because naye uRibeiro ngesisho ukuthi uyadlala uyastrugglisha naye because into esambephe phambili kakhulu uRibeiro ama-penalties. But other than that akukho kunye okutheni uRibeiro akuletha kwiSundowns. Mhlawumbe ingakho bilandele yena lo uArthur Salles ukuthi mhlawumbe azomsiza phambili. But asazi ngibona kumdlalo right lo for iSundowns noma mengibuka ama-stats wakhe hayi